Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reprogram a True Bolt or a Honeywell electronic keypad lock step by step. So if you forgot the old code, recently reset the lock, or you want to completely set it up again from the scratch, this guide is going to help you reprogram everything properly. So first of all, you need to simply reset the lock if it is needed. So if you don't know the current programming code, you can just simply factory reset it. So in order to do that, you just have to simply remove one battery. Afterwards, you just have to wait for at least 10 seconds and then reinsert the battery, and then you just have to simply press this particular lock button 3 times within 3 seconds. Now this way the lock should beep and it should flash green, confirming that the reset is completed successfully. After doing so, you just have to start changing the default programming code. So first of all, you need to enter the code that you already know. So in most of the cases, it would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when you enter this particular code, you just have to press this unlock button over here. After doing so, you just have to simply press 4, then press the unlock button again. Then you need to start entering your 6-digit programming code. When you are done adding the code, you just have to simply press the unlock button once again, then re-enter the new code and press the unlock button again. So this way the lock should beep once and again flash green if the new programming code saved successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.